In the previous session, we have learnt about group by. And do you remember the purpose of group by? The purpose was group by is to group rows that have same values. And its advantage was it was used to summarize data from the database. Now we have to learn one more thing. Whenever we have to give condition on the group by, how we will give? Normal condition is always given by where. But how to give condition on a group by? With the help of word having. So here we will learn about having clause. The having clause is often used with the group by clause to filter groups based on specific condition. So here one point to note here is having clause applies filter condition to each group of rows, while the where clause applies the filter condition to each individual row. So now the difference between having and where is clear to you? It seems same, having or where. But there is a major difference. Where is used for individual rows and having is used with group by. Now let us learn how to write having in the MySQL query. So we have to remember the sequence. The sequence is always like that. First you have to write select, from, where, group by and having. So I cannot change the sequence. Can I write where before from? Can I write like this, select, where, from, group by, having? No, I cannot write where before from. The sequence will remain same, that is select, from, where. Similarly, can I write having before group by? No, not at all. First of all, what we have to do? We have to write the group by and then the having. Now let us understand this having clause with the help of an example. Customers table is given here in front of us, and the question is list the number of customers in each country. In each country. Each means now we understand that we have to apply group by. Grouping is supposed to be done. And question is saying further, only include countries with more than one customers. For example, here we will just have a look on the country attribute, only country attribute. In the country attribute, what we have? Germany, Mexico, UK, Sweden. Germany, UK and Sweden, they are appearing only once. And what is required in our query? Our query says condition is there on group. Once again, read the question very clearly. List the number of customers in each country. It means we have to do the group by. Only include countries with more than one customer. Condition is there on grouping. So we have to use the condition, but before that we have to group and group on the basis of country. Here in the question it is written each country. So grouping is done on the basis of attribute country. Now let us have a look on this query. Select count. In the brackets you have written customer ID. Any attribute name is okay. Even if I can write star, then also it is even good. So we have to write select count customer ID comma country from customers group by country. Till here first part of the query is solved. Group by country. So I have already told you, if you are doing grouping on the basis of any attribute, it is good to write that same attribute in the select clause also to increase the readability of the query. Now half of our work is done. Now what? Second part of the query is only include countries with more than one customers. It means Germany, UK and Sweden should not be included. What next? Next step is we have to write having clause. Having count customer ID greater than 1. If this condition is fulfilled, That is, we have to apply the condition in the having clause. If this condition is fulfilled, then only that will be shown in the list, otherwise not. So here in this case, what will be the output? Only Mexico. And what is the count? 2. So 2 Mexico. That will be the output.